Hi folks, welcome back. So today we will be exploring the effects feature in Fable. So let's go ahead. A very aesthetically pleasing demo can be expected to have a higher engagement rate. Fable has some special effects that you can apply to the demo which will make them very eye-catching. On the effects, we have two kinds of effects, on-scene effects and on annotation effects. So let's go ahead and explore the on-scene effects, which are effects that are applied to the element on the screen. So first effect is Syncity. Let's preview this. See, Syncity makes the whole page black and white except for the selected element. Next is Clarity. This makes the whole page blurred out except the selected element like this. Coming to material design, this applies Google's material design focus style to this selected element, like that. You can see this getting highlighted. Coming to Cyberpunk, this applies effects, which feels like post-apocalypse world. It's that funky. And coming down to color swap, this swaps the background color like that with the element. And all these effects which are preset, you can also change their CSS code as well to personalize it. Coming to custom, you can apply custom effects by adding some CSS code. Now let's move on annotation. All annotation effects are effects that are applied to the annotation box. So first feature being wave. Let's preview this. Wave affects a wave effect on the annotation. Coming to Beckham, this applies a lighter color blend through the edge. Let's go to bleeding edge. This applies an effect of bleeding a complementary color through the edge. Like this. Glass ceiling. This applies a glass effect on the annotation. And coming down to custom, you can apply custom effects by adding some custom CSS code. Let's change this one to wave for now. Right. Thank you, folks. Please stay tuned for further videos.